I'm 2 weeks out for having my next generation LASIK type surgery. It's been great. I had very little pain right after the surgery. 2 weeks out, I have no pain. I could immediately see from it. I had both a lot of stigmatism. Couldn't see far off it well. I like to play sports. It was always a challenge. I moved to the water recently. Always a challenge to get on the water and have prescription sunglasses and stuff, so I was really looking for a way to free that up. Initially did research on the website out there as to who's doing LASIK and doing things that are different, and came across Dr. Gulani's name and intrigued me, so I came and had an initial conversation, and I was just really floored by the depth that he went into in looking at my eyes. You know, usually most doctors sort of look at the three main data points of farsighted, nearsighted, and stigmatism, which you know, I have 2 out of 3 of those and some other issues to deal with. But he looked at what really looked like 16 different data points and came up with a plan to custom my vision so that I would have the best of all those worlds, being able to be completely glass free. And through the whole process, he was directly involved. He has great support staff. You could tell they all care about you and are interested in you, but he also doesn't just hand them off along the way to support staff. Even after the initial exam and the follow-up, he called right after the surgery. I had a little issue this last week, concern. It wasn't a concern, but he saw me after hours to do that, and then you know, here I am today with the ability that they say that my distance vision, I'm actually 20/20 at this point, and I just never realized that I would end up having that level of freedom. So what I've come to find out is most folks that have LASIKs, most doctors are probably only getting 70 to 80% of improved performance, and that's great. But if you can get it to 90 to 100%, like what's happening in my particular case with, in a lot of situations, doctors would say that my case is too complicated. I think you'll find that there's no one better than Dr. Gulani to look at your case and to give you the best outcome that's possible, not just a good outcome. So I have no hesitations, and you can just tell his enthusiasm for what he does. He doesn't do it for the sake of a paycheck. He does it because he's truly interested in it as art.